everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Data Analyst full course. Today we are going to learn about the funnel chart in the Power BI. If you have not watched our last 20 session of Power BI, go and watch on the playlist. Okay, then only come to this video. Okay, or if you will not understand anything, if you have not watched the last video, last sessions, 20 sessions of our Power BI. Continue 30 days Power BI course we are completing. Projects also we have covered stepwise. We have completed the projects also. Okay, after all 10 sessions we have completed projects. Google Play Store project of Microsoft Power BI we have completed, and Instagram project also we have completed. If you have not watched that video, go on our playlist. You can watch from there. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the funnel chart in the Power BI. Last video we have covered the topic of the waterfall chart. Okay, today we are going to learn about the funnel chart. Now last session also I said you that difference between both chart, that waterfall is what stepwise information is provided to us in our waterfall chart, and when we are using the funnel chart, data, okay, information is provided from the top to bottom. Okay, data is getting loaded from top to bottom. That is what funnel chart. Okay, and when we are using the waterfall chart, all the information is coming from the stepwise. Okay, not from top to bottom or bottom to top. Okay, stepwise information is provided, data is getting loaded in the waterfall chart. But when we are using this chart, that is what funnel chart, all that information is loaded in the from top to bottom. Okay, if we are looking for the ranking, okay, then how much task is completed of the particular employee. For example, if we have to see in the how much percentage particular task is completed by the employee from the organization, then we can use the funnel chart. Okay, how much percent it has been completed, then we can use here funnel chart. Okay, funnel chart is what when we are using the filters. Here also we are using filter. Rather than that filters, we can use the funnel chart. Funnel chart directly provide us data from the top to bottom. Okay, on filter also, of for every visual we are providing that top 10, top 20 values. Okay, just like that, funnel chart is what top to bottom data is getting loaded. Okay, rather than filter we can use the funnel chart. Okay, for looking for the top to bottom data we are using the funnel chart. Okay, now here we can see category is provided, category provided. Second is what values are provided for funnel chart, and third one is what tooltip. Okay, tooltip is common for the all the visuals. When we are using all the visuals in the Power BI, tooltip is common, but changes on first three are getting changed. That's category, values, that are getting changed. Okay, if we are using any stack column chart, there will be what x axis, y axis legends is provided. Okay, and if we are using this waterfall chart, funnel chart, if we are using, then category values are getting loaded. Okay, now you can see here on category we have imported two columns. First one is what metro line, and second is what date. On our values, okay, on values we have provided count of contractor. Now here you can see the count 641. It is the count of contractor. Here data labels is also on. Okay, if I am keeping the data labels of values of the count of contractor cannot be visible. Okay, if we want to see the, for example, if we want to see the percentage, how much task is completed, okay, of particular task, then on data labels this data is getting loaded. Okay, for example, if we want to see that activities, how much percentage activities completed for our organization. Okay, and if we are importing that column in our what visual, if we are importing that activity plan, then here we can see that 100%, okay, 80%, 70%, 60%. For example, data is loaded in the form of top to bottom. Okay, from first to last. From first to last, data is getting load. Okay, chart is visible. From that we can take the decision for the our company. Now here we can change the colors of our data. Okay, now here blue color is there, that also we can change. Okay, show all, that also we can provide. Okay, 2B48, that is the metro line. Okay, and here the count is coming of particular count of contractor. Now if I want to change the background color of my, if I am changing the background color, here I can change the background color. If I am having the color code of particular color, then also we can add here. Okay, transparency also we can increase from here. Okay, visual border also we can keep on shadow of particular visual we can add. If I will off that shadow, then shadow will be not visible for our visual. Header icons we can add. The difference between both chart, waterfall chart is what? Information is visible in the stepwise. Okay, stepwise. Okay, from stages, from one stage to last stage, all the stages are getting load. Okay, as per the our column which we have imported. But in funnel chart, top list. Okay, first top list are getting loaded, then the bottom information is getting loaded. Now on this visual you can see on our top 100%. Okay, 100% data is loaded. Okay, first one is what? 100%. And when the data is coming from the last, that is what? 16.7%. that is the last count of our column. Okay, from data is funnel chart is why we are using the funnel chart, to take this decision from the top to bottom. Okay, how much percentage activity is completed, for example, how much percentage task is completed of particular employee. If we want to see activities, if we want to see task, then also we can use funnel chart. Now here you can see here legends are also you on. Okay, we can see here metro lines or informations. If I will keep here off, then it cannot be visible. Category labels here we have kept on. Now what are the category which we have added on our visual, that we have kept here on. Okay, if I will off that, then that category will not be visible to me. In this way we can use the funnel chart on our Power BI visual. Okay, hope you have understood funnel chart. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. On our channel I have uploaded Microsoft Power BI sessions, projects also I have uploaded, SQL also topics I have covered, Python also we have completed, and Excel also we have completed on our playlist. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and note for this particular visual I have uploaded on my description. Hope you have understood today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, share with your friends who want to learn the data analytics.